Welcome to our channel. We're thrilled to have you here as we explore the world of woodworking and creative projects. If you enjoy what you see and want to keep up with our latest content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and share your favorite videos with friends and family. Your support helps us continue to bring you inspiring ideas and tips for your own woodworking journey. Creating wooden projects offers a unique blend of creativity and entrepreneurship. This analysis explores the transformation of simple wooden project ideas into a successful business, focusing on market demand, marketing strategies, job opportunities, and profit potential. Woodworking is not just a craft. It's a viable business model. The initial investment can be minimal, especially for simple projects that require basic tools and affordable materials. This accessibility allows individuals to start small, testing their entrepreneurial skills without significant financial risk. As skills develop and the business grows, more complex projects can be introduced, expanding product offerings and revenue streams. Identifying and understanding market trends is essential for success. Consumers are increasingly drawn to unique, handcrafted items that reflect personal style and values. The demand for sustainable and eco-friendly products is on the rise, making wooden items particularly appealing. Researching customer preferences through surveys or social media engagement can provide valuable insights into which products are likely to sell well. Successful marketing is crucial in promoting wooden projects. Utilizing social media platforms such as Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook allows woodworkers to showcase their products visually, attracting potential buyers. Engaging content, including behind-the-scenes looks at the crafting process, can enhance customer interest and foster a connection between the maker and the audience. Creating a strong brand identity can differentiate a woodworking business in a competitive market. A cohesive brand message highlighting craftsmanship, quality, and uniqueness can resonate with consumers. This branding can extend to packaging and customer service, enhancing the overall customer experience and encouraging repeat business. Networking within the woodworking community and broader business ecosystem can lead to valuable opportunities. Collaborating with local artisans, businesses, or craft fairs can expand visibility and market reach. Participating in community events allows for direct interaction with potential customers, building relationships and trust, which are essential for long-term success. As a woodworking business grows, it may create job opportunities. Hiring skilled workers can enhance productivity and allow for the production of more complex designs. This growth can contribute to the local economy, fostering community support and loyalty while also providing valuable experience and training for employees. The profit potential in wooden projects can be significant. By carefully managing production costs and pricing products appropriately, woodworkers can achieve healthy profit margins. Customization options often command higher prices, allowing for increased profitability. Understanding the balance between quality and cost is crucial for sustained success. Capitalizing on seasonal trends can provide additional revenue streams. Creating themed products for holidays or special occasions can attract more customers and create urgency in purchasing decisions. Marketing campaigns aligned with these events can drive sales, making it essential to plan ahead and leverage seasonal demand effectively. Expanding the product range can attract a broader audience. Offering a variety of items, functional, decorative, or personalized, can cater to different customer needs and preferences. Diversification can help mitigate risks associated with market fluctuations, ensuring a more stable income throughout the year. Expanding the product range can attract a broader audience. Offering a variety of items, functional, decorative, or personalized, can cater to different customer needs and preferences. Diversification can help mitigate risks associated with market fluctuations, ensuring a more stable income throughout the year. Establishing an online presence through an e-commerce platform can significantly enhance sales potential. A user-friendly website or utilizing established marketplaces can help reach customers beyond local markets. E-commerce also allows for streamlined inventory management and sales processes, making it easier to track performance and adjust strategies accordingly. Staying informed about industry trends, marketing strategies, and customer preferences is essential for growth. Continuous learning helps woodworkers adapt their business models and product offerings to remain relevant and competitive. Engaging in workshops, webinars, or online courses can provide valuable insights and skills development. Incorporating sustainable practices into the business model can appeal to environmentally conscious consumers. Sourcing wood responsibly and minimizing waste can enhance brand reputation. Ethical practices not only benefit the planet, but can also lead to increased customer loyalty and attract a dedicated customer base. Effective financial management is crucial for sustaining a woodworking business. Tracking expenses, revenues, and profits allows for informed decision-making. Understanding financial metrics can help identify areas for improvement and growth opportunities, ensuring that the business remains viable and healthy. Establishing long-term goals and a clear vision for the business is vital for sustained success. Whether aiming to expand product lines, enter new markets, or increase production capacity, having a strategic plan can guide decision-making and growth. Regularly reviewing and adapting these goals based on market changes can ensure continued relevance and success. In conclusion, the woodworking business presents numerous opportunities for entrepreneurship, creativity, and profit. By understanding market demand, employing effective marketing strategies, and focusing on craftsmanship, individuals can turn their passion into a sustainable business. With careful planning and a commitment to quality, wooden projects can thrive in a competitive market, offering not just financial rewards, but also job opportunities and community engagement. Embrace the journey and watch your woodworking business flourish. Thank you for watching. We appreciate your support, and if you enjoyed the content, please consider subscribing and giving us a like. Your engagement helps us create more great videos, and we can't wait to share more with you.